I found 4 viral TikToks in 4 minutes, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do the same thing. We're gonna jump into Minya's dashboard, and I'm gonna take you guys through exactly how I found these 4 ads, and then kind of break them down super quickly so you can see what I like to look for when it comes to finding these winning, testing worthy products that you can take and rather sell for yourself or improve and have ideas off of. This is what I do every single time. So step 1, click TikTok ads. We're gonna go in here, and as you can see, I already have some filters on. So you wanna go to e-commerce type, make sure Shopify is checked off. Then you wanna go scene date and just do this month. So just go May 1st, 27th. Of course, you can do whatever you like, but this is how I found the 4 in this video. In terms of likes, I like to look at videos that have anything over 1,000 likes. I know that some people like to go higher, but I think 1,000 is a pretty good indication that a video is doing well and it's kind of worth looking into. And then after that, all you want to do is sort by view. If you find someone that catches your eye, simply click this little eyeball thing. It's gonna open a new tab. There's a search on AliExpress link for it, where if you just click that, it's actually searching for you based on the images of the product if it's on AliExpress. Aside from that, the main reason I want to use this platform is to see how the ads are actually performing, because as you know, content is king and creative is king in 2022. So I'm gonna click see ad. It's gonna open the TikTok link exactly for me, and I can do whatever I want with this. So here you go. This is the first product that I just found for you. All right, so quick break from the video, and let's just look at a few more things that Minya can actually do for you if you are a dropshipper, if you're someone experienced with e-commerce, the list goes on. You got all this information here about Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest, and you can spend hours just on this homepage alone, kind of just looking at everything they have. And then they have like little segments here for you that you can click into. Let's just start with Facebook, and then we'll go down the list. So right here, we can pretty much sort by however you want, and these are kind of the main filters that I would use. So ecom platform, Shopify, countries, US, scene date, I did last 30 days, language, of course, English, and then likes anywhere from 500 to 1 million, I believe is the metric I use there. You can search by keywords so that if you're in beauty, for example, you can search beauty and see what pops up here. Then we got some mascara stuff, and of course you can click into all of these and then see where it is. So we're gonna go boom, click this eyeball, click right into here. It shows you engagement, likes, shares, and how much it's actually trending. So it's still doing pretty good. Lots of likes, very little anger. So that's how you know it's kind of a good product. I want to go to influencers because this was pretty cool. Now, of course, there's some filters here that you can use. Let's take one that's a little bit more smaller and just be practical. And let's jump in right here. So she's at 50 placements in the last little while. And any single promotion that she's ran is now in here, and you can just go click into it. So she ran a snap promotion with this brand, Blinks Underwear. You can click to them. There are a ton of features here, but I want to jump straight to the chase and go right into TikTok ads and show you guys just a few more filters that I would use to endlessly do product research. Plays, we want to see videos with at least, let's just do 10,000, just to kind of see what's kind of already working. And right away, we're seeing things that you've probably seen before. You might know this brand. I'm pretty sure this is Shelly Cove. And so if we click in here, again, eyeball, go here. We can see ads from the same shop by jumping into here. And you can see what they've done before. Here's one video. All right, so that's just one little feature that you can do, is jump in, look at brands, and see what other kind of ads they've ran from their page. If we click back into this, we can, of course, jump right to their website and track engagement. So as you can see, in the last couple days, like since June started, this kind of post has been kind of evening out. But when it first went live, it absolutely exploded, and it got a bunch of plays that they pulled from here. If you want to go further and kind of see the website, of course, you can click that, go see what this brand's doing, and look at all their products. But if you want to focus just on TikTok and see, all right, what kind of videos are actually working, we can jump back. We can even add one more filter here. We can go sort by plays. Click that. Here we go. Here's everything you want to see. This looks like a funny hook. They caught my eye right away when I start my beard. Little funny video there. I'm not sure what that's even selling. Here's a better one. Simple video. I think there'll be some improvements there, but now you kind of know before and after videos for skincare and beauty are slapping. You can kind of take that and apply your own thing. So if you're running a beauty brand, you now have like a good starting point to take off from. Again, as in Shame Stop, there's even an analysis tool here where they kind of take everything for you. Give it a sec to load. All right, so we got popularity by Alexa rank, We got page views by country, so we got mainly just USA here for 82%. You can see the apps they're using on all their stores, and they got Yotpo, they got Recharge for subscription, they got all this stuff here. And we can click through even more and just we can get a whole scrape on a company within 5 minutes. We can see their Facebook ads and what's running right now, first seen and last seen. We can see Pinterest ads, and of course you can see TikTok ads and everything they've ran there. Last one I'm gonna show you guys is this new soap drop right here. Let's give it a play.
New soap drop.
That's from a brand. Is it Dr. Squatch? Yes, it is. We're going to click in and we can just see everything that they're also up to as well. You can see ads from the same shop, see products, see ad. Let's click right through to the video and see again how much engagement they're actually getting. Not too shabby. 1.5 million plays, 1% engagement rate if you use vidIQ Chrome extension. And then you can just go ahead and click through to their page and do all the research you want. So guys, Minya is the real deal. There's a ton of things you can do in here, but let's just get back to the video and show you guys the other products I found using this epic platform. The video I found here is this video right here. So it says chlorophyll is back. It's from a brand called Sakara Life. Again, there's nothing crazy to this video. All it's really doing is showing some satisfying content, kind of ASMR-y, there's a hook, and maybe you might not be able to find this exact product on AliExpress, but it's gonna give you an indication that chlorophyll and any kind of product that includes gut health is something that's worth looking into. It comes in with this years of wasting money on these covers, and it shows kind of like this bra that, basically it's built for females. It covers your nips. She's basically going above and beyond here by throwing out her old ones, covering this stuff in peppers, and showing how easily it is just to clean and stay on your arm, and see how after all that stuff she did, it still sticks. Now this one is a little bit of a different type than that first one. That first video we saw, it was more like chlorophyll is back, it's going to be gone soon, shop now. With this one, it's more like super focused on the problem they solve, and that's why I kind of lean more towards those kind of videos where it's like, okay, I have problem X, I've wasted so much time, money, and whatever on problem X, and here's solution Y, and here's why it's so awesome, and then kind of go above and beyond and be really dramatic and dramatize how well the product works. And that's exactly what she did when she got that pepper and put on the covers and then ran out into the water, and after all that, it's still stuck on her arm, aka it could have stuck on her nipple. Those kind of videos do well, and that's something I would definitely look into in AliExpress. Those things are definitely on there, no doubt. The last video here is nothing special. There's this beach waver kind of hair straightener, and there's a girl here talking. It's a hair straightener / hair curler, sorry. And they're basically saying, okay, there are a million hair products out there, and ours is really awesome, and we're doing a giveaway. We want to give away one of these every single day. All you have to do is text us. I think that this is genius, and if you're on a platform like Attentive, or you use something like Privy, whatever, to collect your emails and SMS, that's super helpful, and now you're gonna be able to grow your SMS list, which is gonna be immensely powerful versus just getting like a customer to buy from you once and not opt into future emails. So they're saying, hey, we're gonna give away one hair straightener every single day, just text us and you're good to go. That's kind of a unique approach that I've never really seen before, and if I didn't have Minya, I probably wouldn't have been able to find it. And so if we jump back to that platform one last time, if you want to go above and beyond, of course you can go beyond just TikTok, and you can open influencer placements and see what's going on with influencers. You can sort exactly by the same thing and see what stories they're posting, if it's on Snapchat, if it's on Instagram, but you can do all that good stuff, and that's it. So stop wasting your time by going on TikTok and just doing all the manual filtering there. They're doing a lot of that for you. Back in the day, I would have maybe 4, 5, 6 platforms I was paying for at once just to be ahead of the curve of dropshipping. Like there was literally, I think at one point, 6 monthly subscriptions that my card would just get billed for just to stay ahead of winning products and winning ads. Now, it's all on one platform, and sure, you've heard of things like AdSpy and BigSpy. Picture that, but on steroids, and this is what Minya really is. So we're super thankful that we came across them and making product research just a little bit easier, and I hope it does for you as well. Here's a call to action to end off this video. Check out Minya, it's gonna be linked below. We're really thankful that they were able to sponsor this video for us, and that's pretty much it. If you wanna have that little upper hand and save a little bit of time, a little bit of money, this is the spot to go to. Keep grinding, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.